Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to share posts with close friends on Instagram, the updated version. So for us to be able to begin, just head onto your Instagram account and make sure that you're logged in onto the right account. Now, we'll just have to go ahead and add in a story first so that we could go ahead and share that with our close friends only. So for us to be able to add in a post with a close friend, so we're going to click onto a plus icon here onto the middle part, choosing any photo or video that you want to upload. For example, this one, click onto next, and then right after that, you'll just have to click onto next again. Now to share this with your only close friends, we have audience in here. So as you can see, we have currently everyone, but we could go ahead and choose close friends only. So this one will be only available to the close friends in here. So click onto OK. But if you don't have any close friends yet, just click onto add people in here so that you could go ahead and add them. So you could search their username in here and then click onto done once you have selected the right people that you want to add onto your close friends. So once you have changed that to close friends already, you could go ahead and share this already onto your Instagram. And that is how you could share a post with close friends on Instagram. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.